what if it's not a Benz? Still carry up on the ends.
So what TV for entertainment? So what if we can't buy juice? We just go back to the roots.
Just when, yeah, you see when you see that.
Guys, welcome back to So What TV. Today, Ryan is in the kitchen where I'm going to prepare some delicious burgers. We're going to prepare the burger on. We're going to do it on coal. And we're going to be preparing beef burger. And these are some of the ingredients. We have salt, pepper, or lettuce, onion, tomato, pineapple, cheese, bacon, and of course, can't leave out the bread. And we'll be making some homemade sauce as well. Now all these ingredients cost approximately $20 US. And if you are to purchase a burger right now, you're gonna pay approximately $13 to $15 US. And I'm gonna prepare 4 burgers with all of what you see here that just costs 20 US. So let's get to making some yummy burgers. We're gonna add some ground pepper, some salt, I'm gonna rub this in until get it well seasoned. So as you can see, the patties are ready. We got 4 of them, nice and thick. Now let's add some butter to the pan. Let's add our patties. And these are looking so good already. As you can see, we have our wrinkles inside the pan, so the patties should get some nice little wrinkles on them. So we're gonna leave them for approximately 3 minutes, then give them a turn, and we'll do that until we know they're done. And that is how the patties are looking. I've just given them a turn. That's the first turn. It smells so good. You know that these are gonna turn out so yummy, juicy, delicious. In the comment section below, when last have you had a homemade burger? And if you've never had any, try it, man. So easy to make, right in the comfort of your home, and you know exactly what's inside the burger because you're the one that prepared it. Looking so delicious. So as you can see guys, the patties are ready. We're gonna now take them out and put them on indirect heat. And I'll leave them same place here in the grill. Pour out. Look at those. In the comment section below, tell me what you think about how they look. While they sit there on the indirect heat, I don't know, fire up the bacon. Same place in the pan. Pan has a lot of flavor from the beef. That is it. So guys, as you can see, we added the cheese to the patties, and we also added our onions to the pan, while our bacon is crispy. And who has not seen our first burger video, we've done homemade burger before. You can check in the description and have a look at that. And we've done other cooking videos as well. Now if this video assists you in any way, please remember to like, share, and for those who have not subscribed, subscribe. So with the miracle of time guys, the burgers are almost ready. Here you see we're toasting up these breads. Yep, they're good to go. So guys, we're gonna now stack the burgers, and I start by put it on my homemade sauce. I'll just put the sauce on the bottom of the buns only. We're gonna add pineapple, so there's no need to put it on the top. How do you stock your burgers when you make them? What you put on the bun first? Let me know in the comment section. So, melting on the patty. It's looking so good. No? Too hard? And now we're gonna add our bacon. The bacon on top of that cheese. Yes. I'm gonna put our onions. If you guys could only smell this, and we're not finished. I'm gonna now put our tomato. Juicy red tomato. After the tomato, we have our lettuce. Each burger is gonna get a leaf. Green fluffy lettuce, and then pineapple. Stuck the pineapple on top of the lettuce. And now we're gonna cover with the bread. That is it. That is it, guys. Soa TV homemade burger. Look at that. Let me take up one for you. Let me take up one for you. Look at that. Thick. Smells so good. And remember, you know, we're gonna have the Burger King eat one for us. So we're gonna know of the Burger King. Yeah, man. Burger King himself. How taste the burger for? Dig in when ready, man.
I put this on YouTube and I call him Burger King. I feel like if I stop the other video and just stick to cooking.
You say, just do the cooking.
Yeah, man. Lower the other video.
I say burger tastes good. Hey guys, look. That's how the inside of the burger looks. We have the pineapple, we have the patty, tomato, lettuce, onion, homemade sauce, juicy beef burger. So what
Just stick to your cooking, man. Tell them so now and see nothing else on the channel other than food, there. This stuff for real. I'm not bust the recipe though. Faith to now, yes.
Yeah guys, so you've heard it from the Burger King himself. Yeah man. And here we have the Burger King enjoying his burger with some cane juice. Yeah.
May I be honest, cane juice slap for real. And you can use it as a substitute for sugar, it's much more healthier. You can try it and it's tough when you make a shake for real. You see like them fruit smoothie, buy the cane juice, you can link, you know. I drop the number in the description below. We sell from the 500 milliliter bottles up to the gallon if you want it. It's slap for real. Remember, sugar is basically the most addictive substance out there. If not found, no. Better alternative. Because of this, them use make the sugar, but it has to go through so much grueling processes. Why not just use the juice from the cane itself? Eat that.
So guys, thank you very much for tuning to So What TV. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share, and for those who are not subscribed, subscribe to the channel. Yeah man, it won't cost you a thing. Subscribe to So What TV.
If you subscribe, you probably get a couple burger.
So until next time.
From us here at So What TV, thank you for viewing and enjoy the rest of your day or your night.
So, may you all eat good tonight.